talking about? What they folks talking about? Look, but they gon' get that success, make him get back. All that.
What's up, you guys? Chase the Dark Sage here, back with another video. In today's video, we'll be looking at each box set for Attack on Titan. And yes, you heard me right, each box set. Kodansha has this weird thing where they like to split their series up into multiple small box sets, which sometimes connect to make an image or are just good for marketing and selling to newcomers of the hobby. There are 7 total box sets, and each box set costs a different amount since they each hold a different amount of volumes in each of them. I highly suggest buying these on a deal on a site like Amazon or Right Stuff because there is no deal to have when buying these at full price. I feel I shouldn't have to talk about Attack on Titan too much, seeing as it's one of the most biggest and influential anime within the past few years. Before we look at each box set, look at what volumes each have, and look at the cost of each of them, make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already. Now, let's get into it. First box set we have is a Season 1 Part 1 box set. This box set includes an exclusive set of 18 character stickers, Volume 1, Volume 2, Volume 3, and Volume 4. This manga box set costs $43.96. Second box set we have is a Season 1 Part 2 box set. This box set includes an exclusive set of 13 character stickers, Volume 5, Volume 6, Volume 7, and Volume 8. This box set costs $43.96. Next up we have the Season 2 box set, which I believe is the smallest box set comprising a whole season. This box set includes an exclusive oversized double-sided poster, Volume 9, Volume 10, Volume 11, and Volume 12. This one costs $43.96. Now let's move on to the Season 3 Part 1 box set. This box set includes an exclusive short story collection never published in English, Volume 13, Volume 14, Volume 15, Volume 16, and Volume 17. This box set costs $54.95. Next box set is a Season 3 Part 2 box set. This box set, just like the last, includes an exclusive short story collection, Volume 18, Volume 19, Volume 20, Volume 21, and Volume 22. This box set costs $54.95. Now we move on to the final season box sets, and thankfully they aren't split up like the anime is. Right here we have the final season part 1 box set. This box set includes a reversible exclusive poster, a short story collection, Volume 23, Volume 24, Volume 25, Volume 26, Volume 27, and Volume 28. This box set costs $65.94. And last box set we have is the final season part 2 box set. In it, it includes a reversible poster, a short story collection, Volume 29, Volume 30, Volume 31, Volume 32, Volume 33, and Volume 34. And this box set costs $65.94. Let me know what you guys think about the Attack on Titan box sets released by Kodansha. Me personally, I wish it was all in one big box set, but Kodansha doesn't really roll like that. So I will say that I do like the designs on the back of the box set at least, and the connecting images, especially on the shelf. But besides all that, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. Dark Sage out. Peace.
Back in it, baby, just stay out of town. I'm on the edge, I ain't coming down. I get too high, I'm afraid of the ground. I'm young and I'm paid to play with these sounds. Ignoring the call, she shutting that gown. Started at the top and I'm taking it down off the champagne. Took a break from the brown on a rampage. I've been giving it brown. Shawty been solid some time now. I'm aligned for the wine, dine, and I'm with it. Look where we started and look where we at. I can see where we headed, but I can't see me finish. 3 years ago, I was down on my last. Was stuck at the crib, I couldn't get out of my bed. Then I realized it's all in my head, and I can't go back to the past, yeah. Except now I'm moving, put all in the music for more like a movement is brewing. I cannot picture us losing. I'm sharp when I shoot it, the world is my tutor. She wanna live block in public, but know that I'm